Morning. Thank you for the viewer. This time I will presentation my article. The title Predictive Analytic Healthcare Sector Using Classification Machine Learning Algorithm. Abstract. There is a world of data can be used to improve public health service by leveraging machine intelligence and technology. The problem that arises in the distribution of unstructured data, not detailed and incomplete. In the study, data is processed with the machine learning algorithm classification state that are tailored to the case and the objective to be achieved. This big data analytic model uses descriptive analytic in combination with predictive analytic to work by looking at future situation in relation to condition. Predictive analytic aims to analyze what pattern emerge in the health sector to improve health service. Database classifier uses to classify whatever a pattern will return to treatment or not. We say on the village area, the probability of return to treatment is 0.40 and not return to treatment is 0.60. Of the 13 health indicator, the data are grouped into classes, namely fulfilled and unfulfilled by using a type of algorithm that includes the SVM classifier. The model is said to have perfect prediction accuracy in the FVC. Value is 0.90. The best test model is Quartz Gaussian SVM ratio 90.01%. Grouping through decision tree aims to inform the adequacy of tree forecast accuracy 97.09% and linear regression ratio 96.6%. Keyword: healthcare prediction, machine learning, classification algorithm, predictive analytics. Next, introduction. Besides efficiency of health facility implement using database information technology known as big data, several hospitals have implemented electronic decision support systems that are integrated with electronic medical record to assist doctor in making more informed therapeutic decisions according to clinical guidelines through electronic prescribing. The supervised learning algorithm represents the desired input data and output data and use it to create labels. In clustering, the engine performs the grouping by itself, while classification tells the engine how to divide the group. Business activity using big data requires several tools and methods that help to get insightful data. Big data has basic characteristics like volume, velocity, and variety. However, its development it becomes value and veracity. In this research, the data source to be analyzed based on classification include the problem, the patient handling of health service, and hospital management. Improving the quality of predicting and analyzing faster will later affect decision making. In addition, it uses a virtual assistant while the scope of its use is to optimize the data set to be more structured so that easy to analyze and very helpful activity such as market analysis, stock analysis, and other. Background, a source, A, technical classification. There are two important processes in the data classification stage, namely truth, learning, and training. Each time, assessment of data that training is carried out. After the truth classification is step, the model has been built is used to predict the class label or the testing data. Grouping of class question or text file can also be solved by structured content agreement through using data training, which much brings up to us education experiment stage used to data experiment. Testing data is used to find out performance of the classification model. B. Machine learning classification algorithm. Type of machine learning algorithm method like as decision tree classifier, rule-based classifier, network, support factor engine, Navi-based spread. C. Big data analytics. Process big data in various ways are done on data mining, data collection from web URLs, methods is visualizing information, machine learning builder, optimization form, and analyzing social media links. Big data tools are classified into the three classes besides how to the data is processed, that is, batch processing tools, stream handling tools, and collaborating analyzing tools. Big data analysis serves an attempt to find trends in the form of habits such market trends and role of consumer needs to the benefit or corporate decision making. Next, for background, related work. Apart from analyzing potential customer, big data analytics is also beneficial for business to be able to complete and stay ahead of the market, as it helps with personalizing customer segmentation. Big data analytics will help extract the data to meet their needs, the higher specialization, the closer customers are to your product or service segmentation. Apply big data analytics concurrently dig deeper and broader into data, helping in component actionable business strategy and decision. Grouping of health service using data mining, classification technique using the map, reduce perform. The dangerous and clearly binary classification described to the most efficient algorithm, namely Enredom Powers classification algorithm. Big data analytics use a health data workforce to analyze the prosper method. In this research, we set on the health profile of North Sumatra province. Data and information were obtained regarding population health accommodation, health worker health financing, family health and nutrition, advanced health and disease mechanisms. These studies focus on analyzing uses of health facility and health human resource service. Health facility include inpatient and non-inpatient general from general hospital and special hospital. The table data identification, data collection for patient data, identification of problem, tendency to visit patient for treatment, health indicator, identification, tendency to fulfill or not fulfill, and data collection from human resource for identification, prediction of performance, and query of doctor. This is a figure stage of research identification problem from data patient, health indicator, health human resource, and process start for classification algorithm and the way identify the data, prepare the data, select and machine learning algorithm, split data, train, evaluate, and predict. Next, use to do big data analysis and to predictive analytic, model predictive analytic, and final result validation analysis result. In determination classification as algorithm, this is to use classification model. In the research, using Navi-based classifier, support factor matching classifier, and decision tree. Probability in machine learning application, algorithm or sequence or statistical process that train often occur 10 pattern and feature a large sum of data. This is a probability attribute for Navi-based classifier. Data on patient seeking treatment using health facility in North Sumatra province were classified into three classes, namely independent practice, community health centers, and hospital. In composition, initial data processing consists of 80 training data and with 20 test data from 289 data collection. The Navi-based classification use the X-train predictor and the Y-train place label with the variable of region, gender, and type of facility. Next, the amount astray in a constant matrix table, the trial was carried out in several stages with comparison. This is accuracy measure for recall result 89% precision, 89 precision, F measure 92% Average accuracy 90%. This is figure modeling Navy Bayes classification. Data is processed through a stack of validation, transformation, data normalization. This is supermanufactured machine classifier. This SVM uses to find the best hyperplane by maximizing the distance between class from the classification class. The line between the met and unmet proving margin and defining line. The modeling uses the execution, the SVM algorithm, the n-fold cross-validation technique. This is Russell confusion matrix for SVM training. Model linear, medium Gaussian, fine Gaussian, coarse Gaussian, and this is result through positive, false negative, positive predictive, and false discovery. I am using MATLAB for the value, this value. Next, for result supervisor machine classifier, ROC receiver operating characteristic is Canly. This is ROC's show the visualization between the true positive rate and false positive rate. UC value are divided into 5 categories: excellent, good, fair, poor, and failure. Spell the blue churn character a random prediction with a value of 0. The churn describes the ROC score churn that will be generated in the prediction probably generate is 0 in or word. The model has confidence value 0 when stating the prediction result 1. The decision tree for classification establishes the proving model in the form arrangement. Each the node is related with data concept. This is performance of medical worker node using decision tree with pairing parents, node size, node error, node mean, and node probability. Result for decision tree. Resource node in decision tree is starting point is using the source node to style prediction. It will predict the mean of the training data result. With following division, subtract or understanding to this number conditional on the next node in the track. For next decision tree, this is for a tree, the leaf node classification score in the posterior probability of clustering in the that node. This is fulfill training accuracy between all 3 classification and linear regression. Accuracy L3 97.9%. Linear regression result 96.6%. Training process 80% and 20% with classification fulfilled and not fulfilled. This is the table result. Next, to modeling a linear regression or performance linear regression, guess the goal as the totality and the weight on the input feature. The training model, the trees show the highest level accuracy training data at 97.9%, while linear regression confirmation accuracy of over 96.9%. Coefficient with this is coefficient with 95% confidence boards. This is Dr. Adequacy ratio model built for the linear regression classification. And the step last for big data analytic using predictive analytic, big data technology was started by many sectors in the public service. The conceptual states big data application system retrieve data from preparation, analysis, and decision. Big data analysis was carried out on the accuracy on the result of classification algorithm. Organization modeling improved the purpose of data classification, and the best classification result were founded from the decision tree training model of 97.9% 9% with positive predictive is 91%, false discovery 9%. Conclusion. Finally, for the research conclusion is analysis of the result of the modeling classification help make decision or building integrated system in a single analysis system in the health sector that focus on patient, facility, and medical personnel. Navy-based modeling predict whether the patient will return to treatment or not, 97.9%. SVM modeling product indicator achievement growing 90.19%. Decision tree modeling produce sufficient number of doctor general questionnaires with specialist doctor is 97.9%. And linear regression modeling products comparison of doctor to the total ability of doctor 96.9%. This is my presentation. Thank you.